You read the title already. One of the best places to get cinematic music for your videos for free is a site called SoundMarket. And what makes it awesome, obviously, they have a free plan where you're able to download their music. I'll have an affiliate link down below where you can sign up for this free plan. But their music is actually music made for the biggest brands, TV shows, and games. And they've taken that and given creators access to it. So you can find super cinematic songs in here. So if you click on my link, you can actually preview some of the songs I really like. So some of these, for example, here's this really great tension music that would be great for like a documentary or something. They also have like cinematic trailer music that sounds like super epic. Or if you're looking for cinematic music where it's more ambient and you're taking these super cinematic shots and stuff like that, they've got these great, peaceful, perfect ambient tracks. And once you create a free account, you'll be taken to their music library. They've got a bunch of playlists where everything is really organized. I can easily click cinematic, trailer, lo-fi, comedy, or just by mood. You'll also have all the themes and moods on the site here, so you can really filter out, get the exact song that you want, and be able to download it. And what's also really nice is on their free plan, this is designed for creators who are not monetized yet. So you can stay on this as long as you want. And then once you are monetized and you're actually making money from your channel, you can actually go up to their paid plan and be able to get the entire channel whitelisted so you can start monetizing from the video, which I think is really nice because when you're doing this for free, you aren't making money yet, so you don't necessarily want to pay for software. And so you can sit on this plan until your channel gets monetized. And then once it does, you can actually pay for it. Your whole channel gets whitelisted and you can just keep on using the same music and the old videos are covered too. So if you want to check this out for yourself, again, I'm gonna have that affiliate link in the description so you can go create a free plan, browse through the music, and find the next song for your video.